day is a new day. I am just about to do a workout. This morning I woke up, I journaled, read, all that stuff. I'm a little out of breath because I was like mid-workout, and then I was like, let me just like film some of it. I'm feeling really motivated today. Gonna be a good day. Yeah, I think I might do some yoga or like stretching. Decided to come outside and read. I just went for a walk, listened to a little bit of a podcast, the Sunday Glow podcast, and now I'm just reading my book in between my classes. Yeah, it's so nice out. I'm just gonna sit out here for like 20 minutes and then I'll go inside. Hi guys, so just reporting to you guys. It's a little bit later now, but I've just been having a good morning. This morning I had Zoom, and then before that I worked out, woke up, did like my morning routine, then I had some breakfast. I'm like sweating right now because I was outside. I went for a walk, and then I just like laid outside for a little bit and read a little bit of like my book and stuff, and I'm just like hot. It's like hot out, which is so nice. I love spring. It's like my favorite time ever. So now I think I'm gonna go grab a green smoothie. I think that's what I want to do. I've been listening to a podcast. It's called Sunday Glow. I always talk about it. I think they're pretty new, and the girls are so cool, and I love like everything they talk about. So I've been listening to that, just like as I've been doing some things around the house. I think I'm gonna make some lunch. Why have I been sneezing so much lately? Okay, this is kind of random, and these are like so overused, and like clearly I need new ones. You can barely even see what this is, but I just wanted to show you guys, those are my AirPods, but I just wanted to show you guys the shampoo and conditioner and the hairline that I still continue to use. It's called Monat, and if you guys are interested in buying some, you can DM me or check my description, because I can give you guys a discount code, and then I also sell this, and this stuff is the best stuff ever. It has actually changed my hair like completely. I have thick hair, but sometimes it's over processed because I color it, and I have naturally dark hair, but the products are just out of this world, and I just wanted to show you guys how I am going to be repurchasing a whole line of stuff like right now on my computer at some point today. This is the shampoo, and then also this mask is to die for. This is the oh my goodness, the hydrating mask. This will literally help your hair so much, especially if you color your hair and you have dry ends. This mask has literally saved my hair. So I do this like once a week, once every 2 weeks when I do like a pampering night or whatever, and I literally just like love it. So yeah, I'm gonna talk more about this stuff, but this is the super moisture mask if you guys are interested in that. But also not just that, like we do where we can like customize like what you guys need, and you just like shoot us a DM, and you can just like DM me and I'll put you through a hair quiz. We also have skincare. We have a health line. We have like probiotics. We have skin drinks, like all of those things, and it's the best. So if you're interested, feel free to shoot me a text, a DM, and yeah. This stuff is so good. I really genuinely do like it. I have been like selling it if I didn't. Hello guys, I'm in my car. I feel like I'm like always in my car, but I am, what did I do with my keys? Oh, they're behind here. I'm going to grab smoothie or like a green juice, like something of that sort at this little cafe near, hold on a second, this little cafe green juice place called My Mean Squeeze near where I live. It is so nice out today. I'm literally in heaven. I have class at 3:30, but I decided that I want to go grab something before, and then I'm going to come home, I'm going to edit, I'll post this video, and yeah, it's just been like a really good day. It is so nice out. I mean, I literally love spring. It's like the best. I've been like, I don't know, just everything besides my knee, I've been thriving, so. I'm wearing this little shirt from Zara. It's just black, and then I have on, these don't fit me. Like, they are legit so tight. That's why I had to put this on, because my cheeks are out. But yeah, I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna play music, I think, because I listened to a podcast this morning, and I went on a walk and listened to a podcast, so I'm in the mood to just like not think and play music. So then I'll probably end off this vlog, and I really want to start a new one. Okay, and then also I'm supposed to get my camera, so like I had to get a new camera, so I've been vlogging on my phone, and I can't play music for you guys like on my phone. I was gonna do like a little mini like drive with me music thing, but I can't, because I can't connect to my phone and play a video at the same time. So yeah. Okay, I just got into the car. I've got these 3 smoothies I just wanted to show you. The first one I just got was just a celery juice. That's the one I'm gonna have now, I think. It's actually like so refreshing. And then this one is green with envy, cucumber, kale, spinach, celery, and lemon. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. And then I got, yeah, just the same one, 2 of the same. So, yeah. I usually press my own celery juice. I have a juicer at home, but sometimes it's nice to just like not do that, because it really does take a lot of time and it's kind of a pain to clean. So yeah, I am gonna end the video off here though, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day, and then I think I'm gonna pick up a new video like right now for like a next vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay updated with my podcast. I post every Sunday. Stay updated with my YouTube videos. I've been doing a lot of spring videos. Oh my gosh, it's so hot here. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.